Get into a car with value. 2018 Chevrolet Suburban. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The iconic family hauler keeps getting better, while the Suburban's refined luxury and state-of-the-art technology keeps passengers comfortable and connected. Its muscle quietly gets the tough jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Go bold or go home. The Suburban is the real deal. Come in for a road test and bring the family.